Shortcut. The sun is out today. There's not a single damn cloud in the sky. So we're hoping that the wind stays down so we can stay relatively comfortable and then get some really amazing clear views at the top. We've reached the lookout here. Clean air, no clouds, no wind. This guy, what more do you want? Punk squad, move out. Woo! Hot enough for you? Lake of the Clouds cabin? Lake of the Clouds hut. Let's turn up the heat up here. I'm gonna get some footage of this. Here we go. Oh man. I wonder what the temp is up here. Are you chilly, Bash? We are about to begin our descent. Got all of our pictures in. This is just like the most perfect winter day you could ever ask for. Washington's up there. Mount Bashir is right there. What a day. Woo! Great decision. We were gonna do some other whack shit. I'm glad we picked this.
I'm ready to go to Washington.
Yeah, he's like, let's go to Washington. And then let's go to Maine. And I'm like, no, I'm good. Like, it seems like it's right there, but those people are so far away.
Yeah, let's go.
The express route down. Right? Should give everybody an idea of how we're coming down here. I was so friggin' out of shape on the way up that I couldn't stop to take any videos or anything, but like, shit is treacherous. Oh shit, yo! Be careful of that turn. Careful, trees. Shortcut. Sliding on our asses down the trail, saving a bunch of time. Couldn't have picked a more perfect winter day. It was actually warm somehow in the sun. Just the perfect day.